what if I told you there was one candlestick pattern that works in all market conditions and on any time frame? You would listen, right? Well, that for me is the inside candle. Hello traders, and welcome to Simpler Trading. My name's Melissa and I'm a trader here in the Trendy Trading Room. Today I want to talk to you about the one candlestick pattern that shows up in over 80% of my trades. It's a candlestick pattern that I use not only for my entries but also my targets. The inside candle is simply a candle that closes inside the body of the previous candle. Now, an inside candle represents a moment in time when the market is catching its breath. The buyers and sellers are in a stalemate. Think of it like a pressure cooker. The longer that price trades within that range, the more the volatility is building up. And like a coiled spring, when it releases with force. So look at the chart that I'm showing here on my screen. This is a chart of Tesla on a 4-hour time frame. I want to identify an inside candle that I used as a entry. This candle right here closed inside the body of the prior candle. That is an inside candle. And this inside candle was followed by a breakout candle. So for me, that created a buy zone or a buy the dip opportunity. I draw a zone around that candle formation and I know that this is where I want to enter a trade. Now remember, I told you I use this one candlestick pattern not only for my entries, but also for my targets. It gives me a defined risk on my entry as I'm entering here in this buy zone. The bottom of this buy zone is my stop. All right, now let's use that same candlestick pattern and let's use it to find where the target would be. So I'm going to look above where price is at and I'm looking for inside candles. Both of these candles are inside candles because they close inside the body of this previous candle. The following candle is a down candle or a breakdown candle. That is a great area to target on an upside move. But if I look just above, I have another inside candle formation here. And in this example, there's actually 4 inside candles followed by a breakdown candle, as all 4 of these candles closed inside the body of that previous candle. So in this example, I would draw my target around this candle formation. That will give me a target zone to the upside. All right, I'm going to go ahead and draw that there. And as you can see, I said that my buy zone, I would wait for price to pull back to this zone. Then I'm looking to go long and my target is up here. And you can see this zone was created Thursday, Friday, and then on Monday, we got the pullback to my buy zone and price went all the way to my target zone. A very nice move of over $40. Now you see why This one candlestick pattern is my go-to pattern. So if you're struggling with entries or targets, I encourage you to add the inside candlestick pattern to your trade plans and see the difference that it will make in your trading. If you're not already a member of Simpler Trading, I really encourage you to join us. We have multiple offers of $7 for a 30-day trial. Come check us out and see why I believe we are the best community of traders out there. Y'all have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.